Hey, in this video I'm going to do a really quick field repair on my joystick. I broke the ball joint shaft that connects my curl function, and I lucked out and found a bolt in the shop that actually fits. It's an M8 bolt with a 1.25 millimeter pitch, and it's 60 millimeters long. It fits right through the ball joint, and if you're interested in seeing how this works, go ahead and watch the video, and I hope you find it helpful. So I'm out here excavating this pond away, and I have this rental machine that I have for a week, and I was just working the machine. I have about 39 hours on it, and I lost my curl function. I don't know what this thing is called. It's a ball joint that comes down off the main control joystick. It snapped. So I think I lucked out. I was going to have to weld this part, I thought, and then try and get it all back together and hope that the weld would hold. I have a few more days on the rental machine, and I need to really use it while I can. But I went out to my shop, and I have these M8 by 1.25 millimeter thread, which actually is the exact same thread pitch as this pin that runs through the ball joint that comes off the joystick. And there was a hammered part here. Just ran it on the belt sander, took that hammered part off, and this just slides out after that. So I'm going to try this. I'm just going to fit this guy through here, put a nut here, and then put it back in place. And I'll show you guys in a few seconds when I get all this back together what that should look like, and hopefully it works. So let's keep my fingers crossed. Alright, so apologize for my fingers being filthy, but you know, working on the machine out in the middle of a pond, it's kind of hard to do much. But anyway, so I threaded the bolt through the threading on the valve. I have that nut in place to hold it here, and I put the lock nut, the lock washer, and then the nut on the other side. It was difficult without taking this cover off, but I got it all in there because you can rotate the valve around. See, it rotates. So I was rotating it and getting it all going there. Now I'm going to connect the Allen bolt that goes up here, and we're going to see if this works, and keeping my fingers crossed still, and see you guys in a few minutes. Alright, here we are. It was kind of no fun getting that all in there, but hey, look at this. We're back up and moving again. So I'm just going to turn on the machine and make sure it actually functions, and hope this video helps you guys out. If you found it helpful, hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because I have more content coming, because I'm sure there's going to be more stuff breaking on this machine. So let me start this guy and make sure it curls. Look at that, nice. So we're all good and golden now. So anyways, I'll catch you guys on the next video, and as always, thanks for watching.